Hello, so good afternoon everyone. So this is Sir Louie and another video tutorial na naman po tayo. At ngayon po ating pong pag-uusapan ang dividing polynomials using long method. Okay, so long method po tayo. Okay po, so ang ating given po is 4x squared minus 5x minus 21 divided by x minus 3. Okay, so ang ating pong gagawin, yung x po dito sa ating pong divisor, siya lang po ang ating gagamiting pang divide dito po sa ating first term sa ating dividend. So which is 4x squared divided by x. So that is 4x. Okay po? And then ang next po natin gagawin is ating pong i-multiply ang 4x, ito pong ating sagot. I-multiply po natin siya sa x. Then after that, i-multiply din po natin ang 4x dito po sa ating negative 3. Okay? So bali po, ang mangyayari, yung negative 3, magagamit lang natin siya every time na magmo-multiply na po tayo. Pero pag divide po, x po ang ating gagalawin sa ating divisor. Sige po. So 4x times x, that is 4x squared. Then 4x times negative 3, so that is negative 12x. Okay? So, since kabalo naman tayo, alam naman po natin na i-minus po natin to. So, don't forget po na atin pong i-change ang, since that is minus, i-change po natin yung minus natin into plus. And then, ang ating mga subtrahend po, ang ating pong subtrahend from positive. So, from positive to negative, that is positive 4. So, magiging negative 4 po siya. Yung negative 12 po natin ay magiging positive 12. Okay po? So, 4x squared minus or plus negative 4x squared, so that is 0. So, negative 5x plus positive 12x, so that is positive 7x. Okay? So, bring down 21. So, ganon rin po yung nangyayari no, sa normal na division. No, ganon din po yung mangyayari sa ginagawa po natin dito. So, after pag-divide, multiply, then minus, then bring down. Okay po, parang ganun din po yan. Then next, sabi ko nga kanina, ang ating i-divide po is ang x lang sa ating divisor, tsaka itong 7x. Okay po, ito pong 7x. So, 7x divided by x, so that is positive 7. Then, positive 7 times x, so that is positive 7x. And positive 7 times negative 3, so ang answer po niyan is negative 21. So yung minus po natin yan. And again, so rules and subtracting, so we need to change the minus sign to plus sign. And the sign of our subtrahend from positive to negative and negative to positive. Okay? So, 7x plus minus 7x, so that is 0. Negative 21 plus positive 21, so that is also 0. Okay? So, 0 po. Okay, so ang ating pong answer dito sa 4x squared minus 5x minus 21 divided by x minus 3 is 4x plus 7. Again po, sa pag-divide po nito, yung first term lang po sa ating pong divisor ang ating ipang-divide. That is the technique. Okay, so yan lamang po. Kung meron po kayong katanungan, wag po kayong mag-aatubili sa pagtatanong sa comment section. And that's all. This is Sir Louie, and goodbye and God bless everyone.